So we all know that the 70, right? 70 is a double bottom, and this that long, right? The bull play right here from 70, from the swing low, that 60, it is really 60 67, right? That's the real one right here, 67. This play, it's on its way to 91. That's the bull play. And then what's the price going to do right there at 69, 67, 70, right? Play a little bit and then a break to the downside. The first leg, this is the bear's target. It's 60. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful bounce off of our buying support right here, 67, 69, right? So mid-range is 68, 60, 68, 69. And let's ride it all the way to 91. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is pretty good. This additional bounce right here, taking the low. This is how it's gonna be. It's not going to our 91. However, we are 68, right? 68, 78, 88, 23 points is our objective on this trade. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this 75 right here is extremely important. This 75. Okay, as the price needs to be above here 75 for the price to comfortably continue going all the way to our 91. All right, remember that. Remember the hidden play. Okay, the hidden play. It's a bearish play. This is still support, right? The hidden play. It's all the way to 60. Okay, 60 is, ladies and gentlemen, still support. Okay, all righty, 60 is still support, and remember that the break of 70 is going to take it to 60, 10 points. All right, so there is a change of hat right here, right now, 70, right? When the price broke 70, we already knew since 9 a.m. that it was going to be looking to continue going all the way to 60. So, change of hat quickly. 75, as long as the price is below 75, bears took control, and we knew that a break of 70, it was going to continue to 60. So our target objective for the short is 60, right? And as long as we are below 75, we continue believing in it. Remember what I told you, we're not going to hesitate on counter trending short, because we know that in the future a drop was coming, and this might be it. So 60, ladies and gentlemen, is not a target. So we're not gonna counter trend long 60. No. This baby is going all the way to 50. That's 20 more points. That's 10 more points for a total of 20. As long as 75 is not taken. That's all there is to it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 60 on the nose.
That's correct.
All right, and listen, it's a destination, it's not a target, so don't get out. We're gonna ride it all the way to 50. No, Gabi, are you kidding me? I had my sell stop right there at 70 since 9 a.m. when you told me, because I wanted to go after these 10 points and I want to get out of here. Well, remember that we trade 3 units, and if you want to get out, lock 10 points right away, do it, but get it back. Remember, Mystique, when we were saying I smell a rat for this move up? Sure, we'll go long. If it's support, of course we go long. That's what a day trader does. And we're gonna let it ride all the way. We wanted to 91. All right, it only went to 80. So our play long 69 to 80 gave us 12 points. Stop, break even, start trailing. The taking of 70, we know it's going to continue to 60. So that's 10 points, and we believe it's going to continue going down all the way to 50. So I told you, if you want to lock right here 60, it's perfectly fine. But we're going to get back short, all right? Because that's the main play now. All All right. Look at that. Look at that mistake. Is that 74, 1 point to our 75?
That's right.
That's pretty good. So we all know, right, that bounce of 60, the counter trend long, right? Take profit. We know it's support. The bullish play. What's the target one? Where do we want to lock in? Right here, 75, because 75 is what's going to determine the change of hat. 75 to the tick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the overall market direction is sideways. 60 is a little bit stronger than we thought previously. But we still believe that overall, later on, the price is going to drop. However, taking 60, that's not going to be easy. 60 is our new gauge. So, right now, the action is in the hands of the bulls. Okay, so 60 is now our new gauge. 60. So, in other words, you know that 91 is still there. Well, this 60 right here, this bounce of 60, long 60 support, they really want to go to 91. So, change of hat again. And I'm pretty sure we're going to change hats again when the price takes 60. But as long as it doesn't, the main play remains long that bounce off of 60 all the way to 91, 60, 70, 80, 91, 31 points. Okay, so what do you think is happening right there when the price went to 75? We know 75 is resistance, right? Aggressive bears added to a winner, and other bears just establish a new position short. Just like I told you, get back short. 75 is the best risk-reward ratio, because the taking of 75, the bulls are in control of the short and the long term. Right now, this is a sideways action. So those of us who took a shot short 75 again because we want to go to 60, what do you think we're gonna do right here? 75, 60 again, 15 points in 15 seconds. Of course we're gonna lock profits again, because now we know that 60 became stronger. It's a lot stronger than the way it was before. And we know that the objective is to ride it all the way to 91, 31 points. So until 60 now, 60, it's a hard stop. Clean break of 60, we know it'll continue going to 50, 10 more points down. So that's the stop for the objective 91, and the short 75 right there. We know that 60 is stronger, and that's why 60 is now a profit taking of 15 points. The strong bounce of our support right here, 60, second time double bottom. Even the teenagers know that's a double bottom. What they don't know is that there is enough strength to take it all the way to 83 and 91. That's the objective of that one. Taking of 75, 76 right here invalidates the recoil short that we took right here, right? Expecting the price to take 60, but we knew that it wasn't gonna happen on this leg and break and go to 50, because we knew that 60, just like we said, got too strong. So that's what day trading is. You need to know at all times what's going on everywhere. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, pretty good, right? Look at this bounce off of 60 all the way to 80. That's 20 points, and we're after 31 points all the way to 91. Now, what happened here at 80? Well, even the fake gurus on YouTube and all those trading academies, all those fake gurus that never read the market live to you, even they know that this is a double top. What do you think is going to happen right here at 80? Because remember, what's important not only to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. All right, so I'm going to repeat that. So if you don't know exactly every single condition of the price action, how are you going to manage your position? That's the most difficult thing to do is the management of your position. Exactly what to do all the time, right? So if you don't know the future, which is what we specialize here, is in knowing the future. Oh my God, Cappy, you're crazy. Nobody knows the future. We do. We know the future here every day. And we know the odds, right? Because nobody really knows the future. The odds are, and we still believe that at the end of the day, it is the bears, the ones that are going to win today's battle. We'll see. So, if you know that, then you have a little bit of more inclination into when we go short our resistances, we go a little bit more, expecting that recoil to be the one that is going to eventually become into a trend, because we believe that the bears are the ones that are going to win the overall battle today since 9 a.m., right? So boom, that's 80 again, that's a double top, that's an easy peasy, right? Sure, right there. Where are we going to take some profit? Right here at 60. Again, it's a triple top now, right? And what else? Well, the short position, we have a bigger size because that's the one that we believe is going to win the battle later on. Boom, 60, don't get all out. Is it going to bounce? Of course, it's going to give everybody a hard time here. That's why we are locking 60. We're not all out, expecting a break of that 60 and a continuation to 50. The counter trend, long, with a smaller position, right? You don't want to counter trend? Don't counter trend. Manage this recoil here off of 80 and ride it all the way to 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, and that's target 1. All right, so I still haven't given you target 2. All right, well, we'll look for it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 75 back in business. All right, 75 is the hard stop for this play that we want to take our position all the way to 50. 75. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be a little longer before the price goes to 50. This bounce right here, 54, 4 points to our target 1 in standby. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and this is why I told you that 50 was in the back burner, because we knew that this 54 right here was strong enough to make the market bounce. All right, still, what's the objective of this bounce right here when we told you guys, hey, put 50, put it in the back burner? It's not going to happen yet. So 60, 50, right there, the mid-range, we know that it's a play long. Where to? 91. Okay. That is called day trading. Look at that chart. look at the action. Look at the shape of the chart. Look at that beautiful 13-point drop in 13 microseconds.
This is not for somebody without direction.
That's right.
Or focus.
That's right. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, every time we short resistance, we want a little bit bigger position size than when we go long, because we think that at the end of the day, when the market reveals itself and it gives us a trend that is actually rideable, the odds are it's going to be down. Where to? Target 150. So we know these trends of 60 again, and we know that it's not going to be taken easily. So it's okay for that recoil 78, 80, right? The triple top, even the teenagers, even all the fake gurus with trading academies, they even know it's a triple top. Okay, right. So eventually there's gonna be a complete break, right? And since this morning, 9 a.m., we believe the one that has the biggest odds is the downside. All right, 50. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have target 2. It's unbelievable. I can't believe that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so target 2, for every time we go short resistance, stop break even, start trailing, Target 1, 50. Target 2 is only 8 more points down. It's 42. Okay? It's a long shot because look at it. Look at the chop today. That's why every time we have a strong support, we go long, stop break even, start trailing, price comes back, we get the hell out, and every time we go short, we go bigger size because we believe that at the end of the day, that's the best trend to ride. Right? Pretty good day. Last day of the 2024, right? Boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's target 1 for the recoil 80 all the way to 50. And remember that we already had target 2, okay? And we have a bigger position going down. Let's ride it all the way to 42. Okay, 42 it is. Okay, let's ride it all the way to 42. Okay, so we're gonna make it a range, 3-point range, 39, 42. For those of you who are strong enough and you don't mind counter trending, right? Then we have 39, right? So the market revealed itself, didn't it? It revealed itself like it does to our system pretty much every day. Let it ride. And Happy New Year, by the way. Enjoy it. And the most important thing, if it's not live, it's not real. That's all there is to it. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 42, isn't it? Target 2, the high range, the high level of the range of 42, target 2, accomplished. Those of you who wants to catch the bottom, let's do 39. Why not? No counter trending, don't worry about it. Is that 41 right in the middle of our of our target 2? So beautiful, right? All the way from 78. How many points is that? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's 39 points. Target 2. And look at the counter trend long right here, 41, 42, our usual. Boom. Is that a bounce all the way to almost 50? All right, so this is an 8-point for the counter trend. Remember I told you we're going to catch the bottom like we always do. That doesn't mean that this is the complete bottom for today. No. It's a temporary bottom that we're going to take advantage and we're going to make 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just made 42 points to the lower level of our target 2, 39. And I told you, those of you who counter trend, those of you who catch the top and bottom, which is what we do here. We trade top, bottoms, and everything in between. Boom. That's a beautiful bounce all the way to 48. That's +9 on the counter trend. Anyway, Happy New Year, everybody. Happy, healthy, prosperous New Year. Party heavy today and tonight and tomorrow. And let's get back here Thursday, January 2nd. Keep on doing it like we've been doing it for 20 years, right? In this room. Every single day, Monday through Friday, from 9 to 12. Come on, right? And the most important thing, if it's not live, it's not real, period, all right? Trading academies, fake gurus, they're all over the place. Just tell them, hey, listen, you're desperate to sell me, that garbage. Look at that, boom, 50, right? You're desperate to teach me how to trade. I tell you what, read the market, live, real time, so that I can believe that you are real. It's not complicated. Happy New Year, everybody. Isn't that unbelievable? Our levels. We buy support and we sell resistance. Of course, you need to know which is support, which is resistance. Boom, look at that. Remember our 50 recoil, beautiful. Oh my God, CAPI, are we going to target 3? Remember that we only get out 3 times. That's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we ended up making 13 points for the bounce off of our counter trend long 39. Remember, it's a counter trend. We're still going to target 3 for the main play, the bearish short, right there at the top 80. All right, very well, ladies and gentlemen. So I got target 3, 24. So we are after 55 points today. It's not a sell-off. A sell-off is 100 points, right? So we just made 39, target 1, 42 points, and of course a little bit more right here, 13 points. We ended up making 13 points on the counter trend. Support become resistance, resistance become support. We know that 50, right, is an add to a winner or establish a new position short, and even more so now that we are expecting the price to continue going all the way to 24. That's 59.24 sometime today. Time right now is only 12 noon, 12:17. We still have the rest of the day. Hey, come on, stop, break even, let it ride. That's all there is to it, right? Stop, break even, start trailing, let it ride. And since we've known since 9 a.m. this morning that the main play was, you go back on the video and you'll see how many times I said we're going to press the chips on every single short resistance that we buy, because that we enter, because we know that pretty good odds that the major trend was going to be to the downside. There is a lot of bull trap right there. Everybody, look at this. The overnight, it went all the way to, a lot of people thought that we only had a 91, right? And we made the first one. So yes, is New Year's Eve. It's December 31st, and everybody's already partying. But if you like trading, this is fun too, isn't it? Very well, ladies and gentlemen. So no longer pending. We just made 55, 56, 57 points right here, right? And so no longer pending. And remember, of the 3 units, there is always some of you who want to do a little bit more, but the official target 3 is right here, 24. That's it. Yeah, I know. Some of you are telling me, Capi, come on, let's let it ride all the way to 900. Just get back short again, right? A new position, or add to a winner, and let's just let it ride to 900. Okay? If it goes back up, takes a trail, boom, out of here, go celebrate. So, all right? All right, so you convince me. I'll do it. However, official target 3 out right here, plus 55 points today on December 31st, 2024. If you're going to follow somebody, tell him, give me the entry, stop, target, position size, right? Account management, trade management, and of course, direction. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's only 2 p.m. So here you go. Another counter trend, another 27 points on our counter trend. We know exactly where to get out. Another double top, double bottom. All the easy setups that the teenagers, all these master traders, all these teenagers, they're all 18, 19, 20. If you're 25 and you already have a trading academy, you are too old already. Anyway, so this is a double top, double bottom, all levels that we've known a long time ago, and we're still going for our 80 points that are pending. All right? So we have 2 more hours. Okay, let's go for it. Day trading, ladies and gentlemen, is not about trading every day, but the right day. And here at Capital Trade Center, the right day is every day. Happy New Year.